Hi everyone, this is Leo Xia, founder of Lion Paper Products. I've been in the notebook and stationery manufacturing world for over 20 years, working with buyers and brands across different markets. Today, I want to give you a practical, buyer-focused breakdown of custom wedding planners, not from the pretty product angle, but from the angle that actually drives outcomes, margin, reviews, return, and reorder speed. Because a wedding planner isn't just paper and binding. In retail and gifting, it's a keepsake product. And in e-commerce, it's a returns risk product. So your spec decisions matter more than most buyers expect. Let's keep this simple. In my experience, there are 4 decisions that make or break your wedding planner SKU. 1. Size, usage, shipping, cube, and shelf impact. The size you choose affects everything: how brides use it, how it photographs, and how it ships. A 5 or 5.5 times 8.5 is the most portable. It's a strong choice for DTC and boutiques because it fits in handbags and feels easy to carry. 7 times 9 is the planner sweet spot. If you ask me for one best overall option for wedding planner line, this is usually it. Enough writing space, still giftable, still efficient to pack. A full US letter, 9 times 11 is more professional planning. It works for studios, venues, or consultation tables, but your packaging needs to be stronger or corners get damaged in transit. So before you pick a size, ask one question. Is this designed to travel with the bride or live on a desk? That answer usually determines the format. 2. Cover. Your price tier signal. The cover is your first pricing message. It tells customers what tier they are buying. Printed cover plus lamination is scalable and cost efficient. Great for launching multiple designs fast. PU, vegan leather, is premium without animal content, and it works beautifully with debossing and foil. Linen or cloth is the heirloom feel. This is where wedding planners become keepsake gifts, especially when paired with elevated finishes. If your goal is premium MSRP, your cover material can't look like a commodity. Brides and gift buyers instantly feel the difference. 3. Binding, lay flat, and durability. Binding determines whether the planner feels smooth to use or frustrating. Spiral is budget-friendly and true lay flat. YO is the premium lay flat option and also the best for tabs, especially if you're building a section planner experience. Perfect binding with PUR gives you a clean retail spine. It's great for shelf branding, but it's not fully lay flat. PUR helps with durability, especially on thicker books. Hardcover, casebound, is the most giftable and durable ideal for keepsake positioning. So the question is, do you want a functional planner people write in daily or a premium keepsake they display and keep? You can do both, but they're different SKUs. 4. Finishes. What sells in photos? Wedding planners live on Instagram, Pinterest, Etsy, and Amazon listings. That means finishes aren't extras, they're conversion tools. The finishes that consistently perform. Soft touch lamination for that premium feel. Foil stamping gold or rose gold for bridal cues. Deboss or emboss for tactile branding. Spot UV for contrast in product photos. Gilded or sprayed edges for instant giftability and social shareability. One tip: don't stack every finish on every SKU. Build a ladder entry, meet, hero, SKU so your line has clear pricing steps. MOQ and timing, the reality check. Here's what most buyers need to plan early. Samples typically take 5-7 days after artwork is confirmed. Production is often 25-45 days, depending on complexity. Case bound usually takes longer than wire O, and wire O longer than spiral. MOQ commonly starts around 500-1,000 pieces per design, and you may go lower if components are shared. So if you're targeting a wedding season launch, back schedule early. Don't wait until the market is already buying. A simple RFQ checklist you can copy. When you message a supplier, include size and page count, inner layout, cover material and color, binding, finishes, tabs and accessories, packaging, compliance needs, quantity and variants, target landed cost and delivery port, in-hand date, clear specs, reduce surprises. And surprises are what create delays and rework. If you're building a wedding planner line and you want a costed spec matrix, sizes times bindings times finishes mapped to your channel and budget, message me. I'm Liu Xia from Lion Paper Products. We can help you turn your idea into a sample fast, then scale with stable quality. Email leoxia at lion-paper.com. WhatsApp +8613750756354. Website lionpaper-estyle.com. Send your target size, page count, and your sales channel, Amazon, boutique, or corporate gifting, and I'll reply with a recommended spec and production plan. Thanks for listening. You design, we deliver.